Alright, hey guys, it's Shirley-XML here, and today I'm going to be adding a B-side to my game's tutorial. So you might have seen in my live section that I already tried live streaming this like 3 f***ing times already, but the connection kept dropping because every time I tried to stream, Mom was watching Netflix downstairs and that was taking up all the bandwidth, so I just had to end stream every time. So at this point, I just gave up and thought, f it, I'll make this a video for my extras channel. So here we are. And in case you're curious, no, I'm not on Windows XP. I'm on Windows 11, I'm just running RetroBar. Anyway, here's where I left off. I already programmed the startup argument, so if you run this along with, like, pytutorial.py, it loads the B-side segment. So, now, how am I going to implement this? So, let's add the B-side variable here. So if not B-side, B-sode, whoops. Ah, really? Come on. I hate when it does the thing where I press tab and it only goes forward by a space. Like, dude, don't do that. Why is it counting the things as 4 spaces? I want it to be actual tabs. Give me a sec to tab all this. All right, if not B-side, then that. Stop with the single space thing! That is pissing me off. Like, seriously. Why does it do this? Dude, why? Let's say advance is equal to remaining steps is less than or equal to 0. Because then it'll be true even if remaining steps is negative. What the fuck? Why did I program the options backwards? What the hell? I just noticed that. That is... why? Why did I do that? Why would I ever do that? I programmed it backwards. Oh my god, that is horrible to look at. What should I say for the first B-side text? Welcome back. Hopefully you familiarized yourself with the menu by now. It'd be really unwise to run the B-side first, you know. As you can see, I've already set you 18 steps into Kiku Village. This is just to save time. Please step forward to continue. Dude, I already did this. Stop bothering me about the fucking indentation. This is what I hate about VS Code. It's always sensitive to the freaking indentation thing. So, the next step is to make sure that the tone sound effect is initialized on startup for the B-side tutorial, because we need the tone sound effect. Here we go. Tone equals pygame.mixer.sound sfx soundtrackish tone.wave. So we paste that here, and boom, problem solved. Now I just need to make sure that tone is in the global scope for the fake overworld, and then we make this an elif, so we can follow the trend of programming the thing backwards. I really do not know why I did that. If steps equals steps needed times 2, you approach the shiny object. It's a tone. Press any key to collect it. Press any key to continue. After collecting the tone, you took a free step forward. Okay, so... oh yeah, I should probably set the steps to, I should set the steps outside of the function, so it doesn't continuously set it to 18, just in case. Let's shorten this to please select 8 now. Oh yeah, and tone obtained. Tone obtained equals true. If not tone obtained, else. There we go. So the only remaining error is that the shop function is not defined yet, which we can fix. So now I have to implement the shop function, which is going to be heavily modified compared to the regular shop function. So, and here we go again with the indentation bullshit. Yay. Dude, what is it complaining about? I'm so confused. Now I have to go up. Dude, this indentation is insatiable. Inventory equals a dictionary. Inventory PyNori equals a dictionary. Dude, get the f out of here. It is literally the exact same. If inventory PyNori slot 1 is not none, else please buy the amber soda first. Oh wow, no indentation errors. That's surprising. Amber soda, slingshot, enemy repellent, and foreign stimulant. That's all I need. Wow, dude. This indentation thing is really pissing me off. Here we go again. Oh my f***ing god, leave me alone. Alright, time to tab everything else because VS Code's not happy again. Oh yeah, inventory is in the global scope, right? Inventory is not in the global scope. Now, worst case scenario, it says you have no items even though I have the amber soda, but hopefully that doesn't happen. The shop system seems to be working fine in the main game, so I see no reason why it shouldn't here. So, inventory. Last step is to get item usage moment, which is right here, look at that. Now I also need to load the heal sound. Alright, so I think that's the entire B-side tutorial. Sorry if I didn't really talk much, but yeah, now it's time to playtest, so let's get to it. PyTutorial.py B-side. Welcome to the B-side of the PyNori tutorial. This section of the tutorial will show you how to shop for items and grab tones. The reason this was kept out of the A side was because, at least in some cases, shopping and tone grabbing aren't core gameplay elements. For example, if you were to do a run where you killed everything, please do not. You wouldn't necessarily think about obtaining the tones, would you? Well, if you flip to the B side, clearly you need some help, so I'm here. As explained at the end of the A side, to obtain a tone you must walk double the required distance of the current area. So if you're in Kiku Village, 10 required steps, you would take 20 steps to obtain the tone for that area. But enough talk, it's easier to explain when you're actively interacting. With that said, let's go to the overworld. Well, thank God for playtesting. Welcome back. Hopefully you've familiarized yourself with the menu by now. It'd be really unwise to run the B-side first, you know. As you can see, I've already set you 18 steps into Kiku Village. This is just to save time. Please step forward to continue. Please tell me pressing 7 won't take me to Temple Town. What the f***? Okay, thank God for playtesting. Oh, I know what I did wrong. If advance and not tone obtained. Wait, if advance and tone obtained. If advance and not tone obtained. There we go. Okay, let's try that again. I opened the wrong Py file. Whoops. PyTutorial.py B-side. You haven't collected the tone for this area yet. Please focus. You're in Kiku Village. You've taken 18 steps so far. Okay, so now we have to step forward. You take a step forward. No enemies to be seen. Thank you. On the next step, you'll see the 8th option appear labeled Shiny Object. This will only appear if you're exactly twice the required steps from the start. If you go any further, you'll miss the tone. Not to worry, you can always go back if you have a demotion or stepper, but don't worry about that right now. Let me expand this a little bit. The cutoff text is kind of annoying me. Please step forward again. So if we keep f***ing around, it's not going to do anything. Alright, at this point you should now see the shiny object option in your menu. Please select it. You cannot step forward again until you do so. Not so fast. If you go any further, you won't be able to obtain the tone. Please select 8 now. You approach the shiny object. It's a tone. Press any key to collect it. I just realized I forgot to unmute the desktop audio, so you didn't hear that, but, yeah, it works. After collecting the tone, you took a free step forward. Oh, it doesn't display the thing. I need to fix that. Great job. You've collected your first tone. Now that we've checked tone collection off the to-do list, please select 7 to go to Temple Town. Boom, here we go. You're in Temple Town. You've taken 0 steps so far. You have 12 more steps to take before proceeding to the next area. Alright, now picture this. Your opponents absolutely battered you in battle and you're in need of some healing items. You have the money for an amber soda, so all you need to do is wait for RNG to ask you if you want to enter a shop. But since this is the tutorial, to hell with RNG. Please step forward to encounter a shop. You take a step forward. You spot a shop. Do you want to head inside? And selecting no should give me the thing and repeat the option. Oh my god. Please say yes, it's part of the tutorial, and then it proceeds to quit anyway. So now if I say no or anything, it should just ask me again. Okay, buddy. There we go. You spot a shop, do you want to head inside? No. Please say yes, it's part of the tutorial. Yes. You've got to be kidding me, dude. Signs is not defined, really. Alright. Shop. To exit, type to leave. To leave. Please buy the amber soda first. Okay, that works. Balance 5. You are dirt poor. Alright, since you have exactly 5 signs which will earn you an amber soda, please ask for the amber soda to continue. So let's say slingshot. You can purchase other items when you play the actual game. For now, please stick with the amber soda. Enemy repellent. Okay, so we have to say amber soda. You've already purchased the amber soda, it's time to leave. What? Now that you've selected the amber soda, it's time to determine who will hold it. Since you're by yourself, there isn't exactly a variety of choices, so you'll have to select PyNori. Test. Please select PyNori. Okay. You're kidding me, dude. Oh, I forgot. I erased the free slots. Alright, now that you've selected the holder of the amber soda, you need to select the slot the item will go to. For simplicity's sake, I've reduced your inventory space to 1 slot. That should make things fairly easy. In the full version, you'll have 4 slots. So much space. Alright, so if you select anything else, please select slot 1. Oh, the text went away. Interesting. Oh, because it canceled out entirely. Okay. PyNori. PyNori. Huh, that is very interesting. Okay, so we've pushed the shop tutorial thing way out of bounds. So that's definitely, gonna break. Let's reload. Oh, I keep forgetting. Alright, PyNori just received the amber soda in slot 1. You've done great. Now that you have your item, it's time to go back to the overworld. Please tell the shopkeeper you would like to leave. You've already purchased the amber soda, it's time to leave. You left the shop, pressing the key to return to the overworld. Alright, as I said earlier, you're really low on HP, 2 out of 10, so that amber soda could really come in handy right now. Please select option 2. Whose inventory would you like to check? Test. Test is not a valid party member. PyNori. This is it, the home stretch. All you have to do is type 1 and you've cleared the bside tutorial. You can do it, let's end this. What happens if I exit? Okay, nothing happens, alright. The amber soda feels like a breath of fresh air, recovered 2 HP. You did it! Not only did you purchase an item, but you used it successfully. I'm super proud of you. Now you'll be able to play the game with 0 issues, I guarantee you. I honestly don't think there's anything else that needs covering, so there probably won't be a C-side anytime soon. But with that, you've cleared the B-side tutorial. Good luck playing PyNori, and thank you for downloading it. And if I run it normally, pytutorial.py, without the B-side argument, it runs the regular tutorial. The B-side PyNori tutorial is complete. So I hope you enjoyed watching that. Thanks for watching. And I will see you next time, hopefully live next time, for some more PyNori development shenanigans. But until then, peace out. But before I go, there is a really cool tech video that's almost done in terms of, like, editing. And said video will come out right after this one. Like, not in terms of time. Like, it'll release after this video, but not like within seconds. I'm just saying that's the next video I'm gonna upload. Let me start over. So, before I go, there's a really cool technology video that's almost done with the editing phase. Before I go, there's this really cool technology video that's almost done that. Let me fucking type it, I can't. Before I'd go, I'd just like to say that a really cool tech video is almost ready for release. I just need to censor all the funny swear words and it'll be good to go, but until then, you can gain access to the uncensored version by becoming a channel member on my main channel, Shirley-XML. By becoming a channel member, you not only get a shout out at the end of my videos, but you also gain access to a bunch of exclusive content, like uncensored versions of my videos, extended cuts of my videos, bloopers of my scripted videos, and if you're in my Discord server, you get your own little chat room. You only need to pledge $1 per month in order to become a channel member, but if you really want to support me, feel free to join the new Archlekia tier, which is $3 per month. Please keep in mind that there are no extra benefits to the Archlekia tier, it's just for support, so if you only care about the content, please join the ampersand tier. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for some more technology related content. Peace out.